Welcome to another super video. Today nobody's here, it's only me. Today I'm reading this book. Comment down below if you heard of this book. It's another elephant and piggy book. Pigs make me sneeze. So comment down below if you heard of it. And also promise to subscribe and like the video. Do everything you can help us, so let's get reading. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald. What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Joe! Whoa, he sneezed. Sniff, are you okay? I don't know. Joe! I cannot stop. Joe! Sneezing. Oh no! What if, what if pigs make me sneeze? Joe! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Oh. But Gerald, No, do not speak. It is too late. I, uh... Ah, ah. Ah. Joe. Goodbye. Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Katz. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Joe! I think probably, you guys, I think probably he might be having a cold, or he might be allergic really to pigs. Comment down below. Yeah. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. God. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. So yeah, you guys, it's true. He has a cold. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy! Piggy! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. The end. Well, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe and like our videos. Do everything to help us. Well, bye. And comment down below if you heard of this book. Well, bye.